Humanity is moving into the era of cyberpunk. The masked Cybertruck does not seem ridiculous. The future depends on you and me, positive or apocalyptic. Be ahead of time, whoever believes in a positive outcome. I believe. We are the rebellion. My name is Alexander Krivoshea. I'm an engineer, inventor, and product designer. I love cyberpunk computer games, and in real life, I create complex mechanisms. I do not like knives. However, this item is necessary for all the inhabitants of the modern world. Creating a cyber device was my dream, and a year ago, I decided to implement it. So I've crafted a pocket knife for creative people and for those who don't really like knives, but like the sensation of the new era. The situation in the world is changing with fast progression, but Inertix goes ahead of the time, and its product is in the spirit of time created for the present. Support us on Kickstarter. Stay safe and creative.